Well, it's a beautiful morning here in Mammoth Cave, Kentucky, but my time here is coming to a close. It's time to pack up shop as we head to Nashville. But before that, we're going to stop in Bowling Green and check out the National Corvette Museum. All the Corvettes that supply the world get built right here in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Look, he's opening. They're moving the cars around in there?
Late 1953.
Crazy thing is, Zora told them to put the engine in the back 60 years ago, and here we are, C8 mid-engine. This place is also a restoration shop on top of being a museum and active delivery location. Checked out the Corvette Museum. I enjoyed myself. Now it's time to make our way on to Nashville. Another postcard sent back home for friends and family. Made it to Nashville, Tennessee. I see the Titans' new stadium is coming along nicely. Can't wait to catch a game there. Made it here to Pool Knobs Campground. Trying to get my stuff set up before it gets dark. Well, I managed to get camp set up just before dark. Now I can chill out and relax.
And I'm sure rest is valuable now, but what do you do with Mammoth?